HeyGen, we're able to come in there at a fraction of the cost, do a lot more higher quality videos, and the best part that any professional loves to hear is that they'll never record another video again. My name is Tamer Abdel, and I'm the founder and CEO of the AI department. I am a lifelong technologist and a 25-year plus entrepreneur. Today, we are working on a company called the AI department, which is a done-for-you AI services company that helps real estate, lawyers, doctors, and automotive. If we were to put a number on how many HeyGen videos we've gone and created, I'd probably say well over 1,000 on the social media side, and probably half of that, if not a little bit more, on the training side. Creating content for a majority of all professionals is just this major anxiety that comes along with that, right? And not only the anxiety, but the time. Using the HeyGen platform, it allows us to remove that anxiety, remove that time that is involved. We don't typically optimize for views, we optimize for trust. We're all about building you as a personal brand. And the number one way to build a personal brand is through content. Let's talk about real estate, which is probably our most popular workflow application today. We have a platform that we offer to brokerages, which is a marketing suite. These real estate agents will log into a dashboard. We've given them like a 30-day calendar schedule of ideas. For example, market updates, first-time buyer updates, how to buy a house, how to save for out. You can go on and on and on. They literally are able to browse through this catalog of topics. They select on a topic, it generates a script based on their tone, and they can change the tone. They want to be funny, they want to be serious. When you're working in a brokerage, you don't want to, and 5 other agents pick that same exact template, you don't want to have 5 of the same scripts. Generates the script custom to the agent. Once they say, okay, it's simple as that. It goes to the HeyGen API, it generates that video, it notifies us internally that a video was just created for this agent by HeyGen, and then at that point, the human expert picks it up and is able to, first, quality control. We want to make sure that the audio is in sync. Once the QA is done, it goes into the actual video editors, where they're able to insert the B-rolls, and the B-rolls are also not the same as well too. And we always guarantee like a 24-hour turnaround time. The agent gets notified of this actual video, and from that point, we kind of tell them how they can post it. Here's like a caption that would do really, really well for you. At the beginning of this entire journey, we used to take the raw HeyGen video and do the 20% of the work ourselves through the human expert. As HeyGen is getting better on a weekly and a monthly basis, and even as of like this week, we've noticed that a lot of improvements have been made with the insertion of the actual editing itself, right? So we don't need to go out there and bring the HeyGen video outside to a third-party tool to make any kind of edits that we were going and doing. We're finding ourselves staying inside of the HeyGen platform. HeyGen became our tool of choice, and where we inserted into all our workflows. Just inside of our companies, a whole like AI labs area, where we have a couple of guys on their off time. They're just kind of always toying around with different products and different tools. You never know what is hype and what is not. Once you're actually inside of the platform, you really realize how not only easy it is, but how flexible it is, no matter if you're a novice trying to do this yourself, or you're a advanced marketing agency or an AI agency like ourselves doing it for clients. Without the HeyGen platform, it would be almost impossible to create these videos at this kind of output, inserting them into our workflow, and actually working and finishing and completing the video all in the HeyGen platform, right? That's where you guys excel the most compared to any other tools out there. There's a reason why I have no hair. I pulled it all out using the other products. The output of it is just like absolutely perfect, where we don't need to use any other tools. I can give you a use case right before I came to this interview. We had one of our clients message me and say, hey, we want to create a video that highlights all the charities that our company supports. She texted me like at 9 a.m. and by the time I was leaving the door at 10, like I was already sending her a complete video and she was just like, wow, right? From idea to execution, I mean, in this case, less than 1 hour. Without HeyGen, this would have been absolutely impossible. And if it's a large real estate brokerage, you know, we'll go in there and we'll spend 4 or 5 hours doing every single agent. The owner of the brokerage for a real estate company will do theirs. The way that real estate works is that when the top dog is doing something, they all want to just kind of follow. We did hers first for like a month or two. Everyone saw all her content. They didn't even know if it was real or fake or AI or none of that, right? And that's where we knew we had something. Fast forward to today, you know, we have over 100 plus agents just in our little town that is working with us. So when it comes to the results that we're getting from HeyGen, depending on where the actual application is being used at, so for example, social media, the social media content, which is probably one of the biggest use cases, we've definitely seen a 5x, if not a 10x return on just like view count, like count, share count. That is something that is absolutely enormous for our clients, that we're never getting that type of engagement on the social media side. When it comes to the training content that we've gone and created, we've replaced a lot of training content that was in there in the past. The return on that was from like everyone telling us how quickly they understood the subject matter just from all the new HeyGen videos. They're just so visual, and the B-roll that gets inserted in the training videos straight out of the box from HeyGen are just something that allows someone to learn that subject matter a lot faster. Our standard package that we offer to a professional, no matter what business you're in, is 15 videos a month. We have about over 100 clients today that are on this schedule. Before HeyGen, these average videos were costing anywhere between $100 to $200 per video. Today, we've definitely cut that cost by over 80%. We translate those savings over to our clients. A lot of clients are reporting that they're getting a lot more leads, a lot more interest, and more importantly, their brand, they're beginning to be positioned as a subject matter expert around the topic. What makes AI videos publishable and not disposable is in the value that it is created in the content itself, and HeyGen allows us to create that value very, very quickly.